the geese are sad I'm leaving. Here we go. Oh, that's a little car. Whew. Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. This week, we are in Batesville, Arkansas for the Bradley Performance Products ride out at the Greasy Bend Off-Road Park. This week is going to be full of riding, good times, good stories, maybe a few, I don't know, on-off-road stuff, but overall, it's going to be a great time. So we are going to check out not only the riding up at Greasy Bend Off-Road Park, but we are also going to be checking out the Bradley Performance shop where all the magic happens for the parts for the TW200. Not only that, the KLX230, the WR125, and a few others that I can't fully remember right now, but it's going to be a great week, so definitely stick around, enjoy the videos, because there will be tons of footage to go through from here, and we're just going to have fun. So follow along, and let's go riding. Smile, you're on camera. There we go. Vine, wah! Other vine, wah! Wah! Vine, yeah! You okay? Yeah. You all right?
Yeah, it was slow.
Okay. What the heck? Oh. Dirt nap. Woohoo! Oh! Man. Hey, it's stuck. Well, now. There she. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
That was the easiest.
You missed that. That was.
Oh, wow.
What is wrong with you, sir?
One person's a lot cleaner than
How
the
did
other.
you? So we'll discuss later. We'll talk later. Let's go. One, two, three. Well, there you go. That has been a week full of wrenching on bikes, riding bikes, and some single track, some big wide open trails, meeting folks from all over the country. Literally, there were more people outside of the state of Arkansas that showed up than in the state, which is awesome to see. So a huge shout out to Bill coming down from Wisconsin. You guys make sure to check out his ride. It is the Northwoods Fun Run in Wisconsin in August. Also, huge thanks to Mark for coming down. Mark is the one that does the Gathering of the Goats. That will be in May this year. I'll put links to both of those rides in the description of this video. A huge shout out to Bradley Performance for letting us come out here and ride with him and putting on an absolutely wonderful ride. And for all those who helped make that possible, we greatly appreciate it. And you guys, if you can, come out and ride with us next year. As you can see, there's plenty of things to do. There's plenty of places to ride, plenty of places to camp and just have a good time with folks that enjoy the TW200 as much as we do. So Matt with Mob Street, check us out, subscribe, follow along, because we have a lot more coming, and we will see you in the next one.